Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GoPro Quik on Windows from GoPro, full guide step by step clearly. To install GoPro Quik on your Windows computer, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type gopro.com and press enter. Once the GoPro homepage loads, locate the Apps section in the menu. Click on Apps to see a list of available applications. Find Quik for Desktop among the listed applications. Select Quik for Desktop to access the download page. On the Quik page, look for the Download button. Click the Download button to begin the download process. Your browser will prompt you to save the installer file. Choose a location on your computer to save the file, then click Save. Wait, once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the installer. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation. A user account control prompt may appear. If it does, click Yes to allow changes to your device. The GoPro Quik installation wizard will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You may need to agree to the end-user license agreement. Select your preferred installation location if prompted. After confirming your choices, click Install to begin the installation process. The installation may take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is finished, you might see a Finish button. Click Finish to close the installation wizard. You can now find GoPro Quik in your list of installed applications. Double-click the GoPro Quik icon to launch the application. Connect your GoPro camera to your computer using a USB cable. GoPro Quik will automatically recognize your camera. Now you are ready to start enjoying all the features of GoPro Quik on your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.